Hey guys, so today we're doing the last part of the Thunderstorm, even though it's finished already, but let's go. So yeah. Guys, don't mind the really bad sound. Oh my gosh, her bag. I completely forgot about her bag. Now we have to go all the way back to high school. Oakley Street High School. Oh my god.
The book says to let them make their own choices. Preschool. They can do it. Right. Kids, no one wants any more burgers and it's past bedtime.
Anyways, guys, thanks for making me feel better. I need to go home now. Okay, see you later. Bye. Oh, what are my siblings? Bailey, wait. No, go away, you jack. Let's go. How's school? Not great. Can't believe they did this to me. They go home.
Nice and warm now?
Yes, Dad. I'm sorry we didn't
Let's go. I love how they made a little bull chat thing here, and there's a blue title Tiger Booker thinks about the people who have disabilities so they don't feel forgotten. Guys, you're so they're all so obsessed with their phones. Ah! No, my phone! It's cracked. I have to tell Dad. You guys need anything? Lucky. I'm the princess. Yeah.
Look, it's Arlo.
Well, don't mind the background, guys, because it's kind of annoying. So, guys, don't mind the background if you hear it. Dazzle, go! Guys, I need to decorate this board so bad right now. I actually am so disgusted. Oh my god. I've had this for so many years or something, and it's so disgusting. Let's just put some paperwork or something. That doesn't work either. Oh, this is the one. Let's go. Oh wait, hold on. I forgot there is a door. Oh, where's my keys? Wait. Oh, I forgot to lock it. Oh my god.
I catch this bus because I'm secretly in love with the bus driver.
Oh, really? He's a bit hairy, isn't he?
Not married.
Oh, well, you two can get married and have bus babies.
Let's go.
I'm not ready to tell you yet.
Dibs on for a shower. Ugh, whatever.
Huh? But the next stop is the sausage shop. What are you going to marry on? Okay. Here we are. Doors opening.
Thank you.
That.
Passengers should only do the bell if they intend to get on. Is that clear? What do you mean, no? The next stop is the motorbike shop. You want to buy a motorbike? No, small. What? Nice to meet you. Oh, hello, hungry. This is George. Oh, tough crowd. Oh, yeah, it's morning tea time.
Accidentally leaves her phone open. Guys, I'm just gonna have like a quick
You
shower.
know what, kids? I think we might be done.
Okay.
Come on, Bingo. Well, grab your towel, kid.
That looks so good.
I need the iPad.
Later.
You have 3 minutes.
Fine.
Honey, give us a hand with your sister. Everyone stop saying dad.
My phone was open.
The shop's closed, Rita. I said the shop's closed. Don't worry about her. Look, I think it's best you... Janet, wake up. Just having a nap, love. I cannot find any by the fridge. What have you got there? Oh, something, dear. You have to pay for those things. Let's go for things. You have to play properly. You can only do what grannies do. Grannies don't stop.
And then,
Oh, yeah.
why do the dogs not disappear either? Like, take a look at explain that. Oh my god, I'm not in the food section.
What are you kids doing?
Where's the baby food? No.
Hey! Just dig in like this.
Okay, that looks good. Ew, Gracie. Mom, what did Gracie do? Ew, Gracie.
Give me the iPad.
Oh.